Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Shipping Corporation of India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Shipping Corporation has released the notification for recruitment of assistant manager on contract basis. Though it's a contract basis, but it's very important vacancy where they have mentioned that after 3 years there is a possibility that they can convert it into a regular job. Here online registration is already started from 16th July and it will go till 16th August 2022. Now let's talk about the vacancy. We will focus on two streams. First is the management. Here the total number of posts are 17 posts. Here the requirement is 2-year full-time MBA or postgraduate degree in business management or postgraduate diploma in management from UGC or any recognized university with minimum 60% marks. And second one vacancy is of finance stream. Here total number of posts are 10 and the relevant qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or a cost accountant. Now let's go further. They have mentioned that minimum 1 year experience in the relevant field is desirable. So it's not a compulsory experience required. Even the freshers are eligible to apply. Here they have mentioned that candidates who are appearing in their final exam 2020 and awaiting results are eligible to apply. And friends, the eligibility criteria date, here the cutoff date is 1st May 2022. So that is the date of deciding your qualification and age. Here they have specifically mentioned that the age limit as on 1st May 2022 shall not be more than 27 years. So you have to keep this in mind that it is a backdated cutoff date is mentioned here. So if you are meeting this criteria, say as on 1st May 2022 less than 27 years, then only are eligible to apply. And here they have mentioned period of contract, it is for 3 years and there is a possibility of regularization of post. So this is very important that they have specifically mentioned that there are chances that these posts will be regularized. So don't miss this opportunity. Then they have mentioned probation and training period. So there will be a training period of 1 year and after successful completion of probation training period, candidate will be confirmed on contract. So 3 years out of that 1 year is training period and rest 2 year will be considered as a confirmed on contract. Then remunerations and benefits. So you will be considered under E2 scale. Here your payment will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. It is the basic pay. Along with that you will be paid DA, HRA, allowance and other perks and perquisites of the company as per their rules. Then entitlements, you will be entitled to leave, annual increments, TADA, PF, etc. and will not be entitled to PRMS, pension, medical loans and leave encashment since it's for 3 years. Then recruitment in shipping corporation. So they have mentioned after the tenure of the contract, candidate can be participate in the process and if selected, the officers will be treated as a fresh regular officer. So after 3 years, there is a chances of converting into a regular post and will be selected as a fresh officer. And if become a regular employee, then all the benefits will be paid to you. Now employment bond. So friends, they have mentioned that after completion of 1 year training, candidate is liable to serve at least another 1 year. So after 1 year training, you need to serve 1 more year and for that purpose, they will deduct rupees 10,000 per month from your allowance on a monthly salary and this will be served as a security deposit against total retention amount of rupees 1,20,000 and on successful completion of 2 years this amount will be paid back to you. Now posting. So candidate will be posted in Mumbai or any other regional offices of the company. So finance stream candidate will be posted mostly in Mumbai only. Now application fee. Friends, a candidate need to pay a non-refundable rupees 500 to the company paid by general, OBC and EWS candidate and rupees 100 for SC, ST and reserved category candidate. Now very important, selection process. So friends, selection process will be of 2 stage. Here stage 1 will be online examination. Online exam will be conducted in following centers, that is Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Guwahati and Delhi NCR, and your exam will consist of from your professional knowledge or your domain knowledge total 60 questions will be asked. Then from non-technical subjects like quantitative aptitude 10 questions will be there. 10 questions will be from logical and reasoning, 10 questions from general awareness and current affairs and 10 questions related to English language and reading comprehensions. So like this total 100 questions will be there and the time given will be 120 minutes. So that is 2 hours will be provided to answer these 100 questions. And the good news is there will be no negative marking. So you can attempt all 100 questions and candidate will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:4. Then second stage will consist of your group discussion and personal interview. Shortlisted candidate will be called for document verification, group discussion and personal interview, and based on that final selection list will be prepared. Your final selection will be conducted at headquarters of the shipping corporation, that is at Mumbai, and your weightage will be 70% weightage to a written test, 10% for group discussion and 20% for your personal interview. Here your written test is very much important. We at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare your professional knowledge, that is your 60 marks, through providing your course for this examination. We will upload the course in just day or two time so that you can apply for the examination and immediately start preparing for this examination. Now how to apply? You have to apply through company's website through an online mode only. I will put the notification link in the description. You can go through the notification in detail and also check the all other terms and conditions. And if you have any query, you can email them at support@applygov.ind.in, and if you have any query, they will answer them. Now let's see the tentative schedule. Here the date of online application is already started from 16th July. Last date to apply is 16th August 2022. An admit card will be released on 26th August and your online examination will be on 11th September. So it's really a good thing that they have mentioned everything well in advance so that you can prepare accordingly, and your result will be declared on 4th week of September for stage 1, and for stage 2, that is for your GD and PI, will be called on 2nd week of October 2022, and your result will be out on 4th week of October 2022. So the entire timetable is in front of you. So this is really a good opportunity for all my CA and CMA friends. If you want to pursue your career in an PSU organization, then it's really a good opportunity because of two reasons. First thing, they are mentioning that though they are the contractual jobs, but they are paying very good, that is at par with their regular employees. And second, that they are mentioning in the notification only that after your tenure of 3 years, there is a possibility that this post will be converted into a regular post, and in worst case scenario that they have not converted them into a regular post, so you will get 3 years of PSU experience, because many PSU companies which ask prior experience for any particular post. So if you are having a PSU experience, they will definitely consider you over the candidate who are having any private companies experience. So do grab this opportunity and apply for these posts if you are meeting all the eligibility criteria. And we at Finance MCQ will also launch a course for this examination in a day or two time. So keep watching that. We will inform you. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.